We got Breckenridge Brewing Company, Littleton, Colorado. This is the Christmas Ale. As you can see, it's been in reserve a little bit, so we're opening up. It's Christmas in July. But this is 7.1% alcohol. Their winter beer.
It's a malty, full-bodied winter warmer.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, dude,
It has a hoppy smell.
It does, and very malty.
Yes.
Caramely. And hoppy and malty.
And hoppy and malty.
Yeah. Yeah. It smells like a... I mean, it smells like a more malty kind of IPA or a malty pale ale.
Yep.
I don't get the booze out of the nose, though, at all.
No.
Like, now, if we poured it into a cup, yeah, maybe.
Cheers.
Yes, sir. Oh, yeah.
It's smooth.
Mm-hmm.
Refreshing.
It does have a little malty bite, though, at the end, too.
And you can taste the
hoppy, I'm sorry.
Hoppy at the
end. Yeah.
Yep.
Absolutely.
But it's very smooth and it tastes light.
Having a little cold, I think, helps, too, you know? Like, it starts off real crisp. You get some maltiness out of it. Full body, definitely full body.
And then it ends with that hoppy flavor.
Just a bit of just a snap right at the end. And it's kind of dry.
It is. It's a little bit darker than you think.
It's a little amberish.
A little amber.
Yeah.
It's definitely an A+.
I'm wrong about it not having a lot of caramel malt, dude. It gets more caramely the more drinks you have.
It does.
And then that booze starts to come through just a touch, right?
Mm-hmm.
Kind of warms toward the end.
Breckenridge Brewery.
God dang. What about food with this baby?
Oh.
I mean, easy pairing would be roasted red meats.
Yes.
You know, anything smoked. Smoked salmon would be fucking ass-kicking.
Yes.
Smoked turkey.
I think lighter meats in smoking.
Are you gonna do like a pork roast or something?
Like a pork loin?
Yeah.
Smoked pork loin?
Yeah.
Would be really good with that caramely.
Smoke would definitely play with this. Plus the hoppiness, just that right amount of bitterness. It's so well balanced, dude.
It is very well balanced. That is really
especially for the amount of booze this fucker has in it. It's like well balanced.
A 7.1.
You could make some pan sauces out of this, though, too, or some brown sauce. You could probably put this into some prime rib stew if you were real inventive. What about desserts? Puddings, pies, pumpkin pies, rich, earthy things.
What is that one? It's a type of custard.
Oh, like a flan kind
of
thing? Oh,
yes.
Well, the caramel makes sense.
It would go great with a flan.
Oh, yeah, it would. It's a thumbs up on the Breckenridge Christmas, buddy.
Definitely.